Okay, guys, today's tutorial is going to be on the Elon Musk update. Now, let's just jump right into it. So, in case you are looking for this, is at the top in message. Just get there and we're good to go. Okay, now this is the Elon Musk update. Now, I'm making a lot of research, and I think this project is going to cook. Like, it's really going to cook. Now, here is how you can go about this project. It's not that different from every other project. Yeah, you can tap to earn, and also you can also improve. Now, this is you can also improve your profit per hour, which is right here. Now, currently my profit per hour is 11.5 million per hour. So this is how you come to your improve. You What you need to do is just to buy them. Just buy. As you keep buying, you see this plus, you see plus 35. If I buy again, this will be the next one that will be added to it. You see it's keep increasing. That's how it works. It's not that different from hamster combat. And yeah, at office you can also see other things you can improve also. And the teams you can also see others you can also improve. And this is the mining. This mining, as you can see, energy. This one is to increase your energy. Maybe if you did level one, if you increase on to level two with this energy, this is your profit per tap. Currently, my profit per tap is, let's see, 1,388 profit per tap. So if you want to increase it, you can also come here. Let me try, see. Let's have that. Let's go back. See, it just increased to 1,700. So that's it. This money, you can improve your energy, your profit better, extra, and just like that. Just come here and improve everything as soon as possible. So yes, this CTM. Now this side was, I think it's some of you don't understand how these things work. You see those codes I post on the group. Let me see if I can get them.
Sorry guys, I lost the voice recording. Okay, what I was saying here is the combo cards. How to use the combo cards is pretty much same thing as the hamster combat combo cards, no much difference. Just watch the video carefully. This X Empire is a good project and I urge you guys to take it seriously. If you haven't registered yet, check the link on my bio and join our Telegram channel to participate on this good project. And if you have joined already, congratulations in advance. If you are watching this on YouTube, make sure you are watching this on a high quality to get the best view of this video. At this point, it's pretty same thing on the tap swap daily task. On this video, you will find codes embedded in it. When you find this code, come back to your X Empire and input the code for the day. There are price tag on each video. Making a TLN transfer is not necessary. Please take note. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, so whenever I post a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Thanks for watching.